Hello students, following question is from part test 1, subject digital logic, chapter number system, and the question is asked for 1 mark. And the question states that which of the following weighted codes are possible to construct. Now options are: option A is 5311, option B is 6411, option C is both, that is 5311 as well as 6411, and option D is none of this. See, whenever such kind of questions are asked, we would solve the questions in only one step, that is solution is only in one step. For this we need to note that in weighted codes, the linear combination of the digits used, it must give all the decimal digits from 0 to 9. Fine. So we'll look over here whether this both of these codes gives us the decimal digits from 0 to 9 or not. So over here the first column would be of decimal digit, second column of code 1, that is 5311, third column would be of code 2, that is 6411. So let us have a look onto this. So if I am having 0 over here, so it would be all zeros in both the codes. However, if I am having 1 over here, I would be having 0001 representation of 1 using my code 1. Similarly for code 2, it would again be 0001. Now if I consider decimal digit 2, in code 1 representation it would be 0011, whereas in code 2 representation it would be 0011. For decimal digit 3, in my code 1 it would be 0100. However, I do not have any possible representation using code 2. So what I will do moving forward, if I look onto decimal digit 4, I would get 0101 for using code 1, whereas 0100 using code 2. Still moving further, we can see that we have all possible combinations for the digits from 0 to 9 using code 1 as seen from this column, whereas for code 2 we do not have possible representation of number 3 as well as my number 9. Hence we would say that our option A is correct option, that is 5311. So please remember, when such kind of questions are asked, we need to know that weighted codes, in weighted codes the linear combination, in weighted codes the linear combination of the digits must give all the decimal digits from 0 to 9. We need to note this, and then nextly we will find whereas our code are giving all possible combinations or not. If yes, then the following code is known as weighted codes, and in our case we get option A as correct option. Thank you.